everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Kathleen and we are currently in CVM Orchard in Farmery, and today is Father's Day and we decided to take our father out, and now we are at the mini zoo with my sisters. And it is currently our second place to visit.
So later we going to camping site.
Yeah, let's go, let's go. Boom. (7 a.m. to 6 p.m. You're free!
Pwede ka na maglagay ng tubig.
Next!
1 second lang. Akala ko natama ako sa buwis.
Really?
Hi.
Hello. Here's the chickens with my little brother. Hello, little brother. Hi, Nana. So we are now going at the top of the hill, and I will show you what we are up to. Well, this is the start. Oh my gosh, this is so steep and I'm wearing doll shoes, for Christ's sakes. Wow, this view! Except this is ugly. Trigo. Papa!
Sinama si Sab.
Tsaka yun, si Papa oh.
Si Papa ba yun? Bigyan mo na.
Go Papa! Go Papa! Kyler, go Papa!
Go, Papa!
Ay!
Tinanay ang tinichir.
So we've tried so much and we're going to phase 1 again because we're so pawis. Here's Chucky! Chucky! Hello!
Ayan na si Mama Eileen! Lahat na!
Hey everyone, we're back! And we are now waiting for our lunch at Lutong Pagan!
Okay.
And kids are allowed!
Look
So,
at the entrance.
happy daily!
Let's go to the entrance. Let's
Ano, entrance!
Entrance! So, hi guys! So, this is the entrance.
Entrance fee.
Tignan mo yung baliktad na camera. So, here guys, at Lutong Pagan. Tapos, ito pa, merong kasi dyan.
So we're at Lutong Pagan. And here's the entrance. There's this like garden-like structure outside with the bike.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So, as you can see, look, at the ground.
Beautiful.
And this, I think is gagawin pa lang guys.
Yeah, gagawin palang restaurant.
But I think it will be beautiful. Beautiful as me. Let's go.
Hey, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Joke lang.
Oh no.
Let's go.
Oh no. Oh no, no,
Let's go to the
no.
restaurant. Let's go.
Kaya wag ka dyan.
Say Happy Father's Day to Papa.
Okay.
When you go
Happy
there.
Father's Day, Pa! Happy Father's Day, Papa!
Hey, let's go. Go. So here's where you order. This is their menu.
Okay. We have another one. But this is the last one, guys.
The second part of Lutong Pugon.
Okay.
Beautiful.
The view is over here. Come here at Lutong Pagan with me.
So I actually forgot to mention that there's also an art gallery here at Lutong Pugon. It's fairly small, but the artworks are so nice. This is also one of the things that I really loved about this place. And it's so beautiful. What's that, Bailey?
Just.
Cheers,
Oh my God. Natatapik ka. Ate, natatapik. Ayaw. Get set, go.
Ate Step, alis ka.
Lapit ka ba, Beto? Tumatapon.
Lapit, Ate B. Ay, bigat niya eh. Bigat niya eh. Oh,
Sir, paano?
Lion King. Tapos yung anak nila.
Kuya, ga. Seremonya.
Hey, buddy. Good night. Bye. Bye. Love you. Hello. Hello.
Bye, love you.
Bye-bye.